Good morning children. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Okay. This is Surya Sirisha. I am working in Sri Satsai High School as a maths teacher for first and second. Children, please take care of yourself due to coronavirus. Stay home and stay safe. Next. Listen children, all of you. In the previous session, we learnt about additions, subtractions and multiplications and etc. topics. But today onwards, in this session, we will learn about some different and useful and important topics. Okay children. First, before we go to our class, I want to ask you some questions. Okay children, please answer my questions. Okay children, now I am asking the first question. Tell me your wake up time. Yes, at 6 a.m. Very good. Second question. Tell me your breakfast time. Yes, very good children. At 7:30 a.m. Very good. Tell me your lunch time. Very good. At 1 o'clock p.m. Very good. I am asking the second question. When do you leave your school? When do you leave your school? Yes, very good. 5 o'clock p.m. Very good. And at what time do you take your dinner? Very good. At 8 o'clock p.m. Like this, in our life, time is very important and useful to us. Okay children, the front part of clock is called face or dial. The face is tell us time. Okay, now I will draw one clock here for you. Okay, what is it children? This is a clock. This is a clock. In the clock there is 12 numbers. There are 12 numbers in the clock. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, in the clock it has 12 numbers. In the clock there is 2 hands. Okay, how many hands are there? There are 2 hands. One is long hand. Okay children, one is long hand and one more hand is short hand. Okay, listen all of you here. One hand is long hand, one more hand is short hand. Now this long hand is tell us minutes. Here children, the long hand is shows to us minutes, and now we are going to this short hand. This short hand is called hours hand. Okay, got my point all of you? In the clock it has 12 numbers and there are 2 hands. One is the long hand and one more is the short hand. The long hand shows us minutes. The short hand shows us hours. For example children, see here, which side is showing here the long hand? Which number is showing to us? 12. Okay. The short hand is what number is showing here? 3. So, the time is here 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Say as or read as 3 o'clock. Okay children, write as like this. 3 o, small hyphen is there. 3 o'clock. Write as 3 o'clock and say as 3 o'clock. Okay, 3 o'clock, clock, 3 o'clock. Now in this clock there is time 3 o'clock. Why there is 3 o'clock? Because shorthand is showing here 3. Understand children? The shorthand is showing here 3. So 3 hours. The long hand is showing here 12. So the time is 3 o'clock. Like as the long hand is 12. Next the hours hand, short hand and hours hand is showing here 5. See here, the hours hand is showing here 5. So what is the time of here? What is the time? You have to see the first hours hand. All of you listen and carefully observing what I am saying here. All of you see first hours hand. Where is it? There it is showing 5. Where is the minutes hand? Minutes hand is showing 12 o'clock. It is as the same. It is 12 and hours hand is at 5. So the time of in this clock 5 o'clock. Understand children? In this clock what is the time? 5 o'clock. The hours hand is showing 5. Minutes hand is showing 12. So the time is 5 o'clock. Minutes hand is at the same place, but hours hand is showing here which number? 9. Hours hand is showing here 9. So in this clock showing the what is the time here? See here all of you, where is, which side is showing the short hand? 9. So the time is here 9 o'clock. Understand children? Which side is showing this short hand? The time is 9 o'clock. For example, the short hand is showing 2. So what is the time of here? Which side, which number is showing here short hand? Short hand is hours hand. Yes. So in this clock the time is 2 o'clock. Understand children? Next, the short hand is showing here 10. The hours hand is telling us 10 hours. Okay children, which side is the short hand? The short hand is at 10. So the time is 10 o'clock. Understand children how to say that time? See first, which side is showing long hand? It is at 12. Next, see the short hand. Short hand is showing 10 hours. So the time is 10 o'clock. For example children, short hand is showing 1. See here children, it is straight to 1. So the time is what? What is the time of here? There is 1 o'clock. Understand children? I hope you understand 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. For example, I am asking, please draw the 4 o'clock. Okay children, now we will draw the 4 o'clock. How it is 4 o'clock? Is here? 4 o'clock is here. Is it correct? No, it is wrong because it is showing 3. We want 4 o'clock. So the hours hand is straight to 4. So the time is 4 o'clock. Okay children, time is very important, useful to our daily life. The clock front part is called, what is that? The clock front part is called face or dial. Okay, face or dial. In the clock it has 12 numbers. Okay, how many numbers are there? The clock has 12 numbers. There are 2 hands. What are they? First one is long hand. Long hand is called minutes hand. It is showing here minutes. Next, it is shorthand. Shorthand is called hours hand. It is telling us hours. Okay, children. Now, finally, what is the time of in this clock? What is the time of here? The time is 4 o'clock. I understand. I hope you understand. You learned how to say that time in this session. Next, we are going to learn about, it is also very important topic, children. It is also very useful us in our daily life. Okay, children, shall we start our second topic? Before we go to our topic, I want to tell you something. It also belongs to our topic. Okay. For example, we want to buy some things. For example, we want to buy one chocolate, children. Okay. We compulsory pay the money. Yes, we compulsory pay the money to shopkeeper for chocolate. What is the cost of this chocolate? Okay. Next, for example, we want to buy some pencil. What is the cost of pencil? There is also, we must pay the money. Is it or not, children? Like this, we have to pay the money. If any time we want anything, compulsory pay the money. That means in our daily life we use also money. Okay. That means our topic is money. M-O-N-E-Y. Okay. What is the topic? M-O-N-E-Y. Money. Money also as the time. As like the time, the money also is very useful and very important topic in our daily life. Now, I will introduce some money. See here, all of you children, we found the money as some coins and some notes. Okay, in India we found the money rupees. Okay, see here, children, it is called 1 rupee. Okay, what is it? 1 rupee. 1 rupee, R-U-P-E-E, 1 rupee. It is write like as 1 rupee, write like as here, like this. Okay, 1 rupee. For example, 2 rupees, how do we write? 2 rupees. See here, children, it is 2 rupees. Okay, it is 2 rupees. Next, 5 rupees. How could we write here 5 rupees? Like this. It is 5 rupees. 5 rupees. We have to write like this rupees. Write as like this rupees. This means rupees shortcut form. Rupees shortcut form, like this you have to write like this. Understand? 1 rupee, 2 rupees and 5 rupees. Like this we have some notes also. See here, children, what is it? How much this? It is 10 rupees. Okay, see here, all of you, it is 10 rupees. How could we write 10 rupees? Like this, 10 rupees. Write this. Is it correct? No, it is wrong. How could we write 10 rupees? You have to write like this. Okay, 10 rupees. Next one is 20 rupees. See here, children, 20 rupees. How could we write 20 rupees? 20 rupees. Okay, children. Next, I am showing to 50 rupees. 50 rupees. See here, children, it is 50 rupees. What is it? How much this money? 50 rupees. How could we write 50 rupees? 50 rupees. Is this correct form? No, it is wrong. How could we write Yes, it is the correct one. 50 rupees. Next, we are seeing here 100 rupees. See here, children. It is 100 rupees. 100 rupees. You have to write like this. 100 rupees. Okay. Next, I am showing to you 200 rupees. See here, children. How much this money? What is this note? It is not a note. It is our currency. It is 200 rupees. 200 rupees. It is 200 rupees. Next currency is, next rupees. What is it? Can you say? See this. How much this money? This is 500 rupees. Do you have 500 rupees, children, in your kitty bag? Yes, very good. 500 rupees. Very good. 500 rupees. Finally, I introduce you 2000 rupees. It is very lot of money. See here, children, like this note. It is called 2000 rupees. Okay? 2000 rupees. Okay, children. 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 50 rupees, 2000 rupees. Okay? You have to, in any time, you have to write like this, rupees. It is form of rupees. Don't write like this full form, RUPEE, rupees. You have to write like this. This is the symbol of rupees. It is the belongs to this one. Okay? Rupees. 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 5 rupees. Now, we are going to do some examples in money. Okay? Did you got my point, children? All of you understand? Money is very important topic. You must learn it. Okay? See here, children. How much money is this? Yes, it is 7 rupees. How can we give the shopkeeper? 5 rupees plus 2 rupees. Okay, children. How much money is this? It is 7 rupees. So, 5 rupees plus 2 rupees. Total, that is 7 rupees. Next one. See here, children. How much money is this? How much money is there? 10 rupees. How could we give the shopkeeper? 5 rupees plus 5 rupees. So, we are using here 2 5 rupees coins. Okay. Next. How much money is this? 15 rupees. Now, what we use? We 1 10 rupees plus 1 5 rupees. Okay, children. 1 10 rupees plus 1 5 rupees. So, 10 plus 5 equals to 10 rupees. That means 15 rupees. Next, how much money is this? How much money is this? See here. 20 rupees. Now, how could we give the shopkeeper change? 1 10 rupees plus once again 10 rupees. 1 10 rupees plus one more 10 rupees. So, 2 tens. 2 tens 20 rupees. 1 10 rupees plus 1 10 rupees equals to 20 rupees. Next, see here, children, how much money is this? 5 rupees. 5 rupees. How could we give the shopkeeper here? Which coins we will use here? 2 rupees coin plus 2 rupees coin plus 2 rupees plus 2 rupees. 4 rupees and 1 rupee. 1 rupee. 2 rupees plus 2 rupees plus 1 rupees. Totally 5 rupees. 5 rupees we will give to shopkeeper. Okay, children? Okay, children. Finally, I hope you understand today our 2 topics. First topic is time and the second topic is money. Please do the worksheets, which as worksheets we are sending. Okay, we will meet again in the next session. Okay children, thank you, bye.